The photography community is buzzing with anticipation for the Fujifilm X-Pro, a camera that's been the talk of the town, stirring up conversations both in person and across digital platforms. Everyone is eager to see if it lives up to its reputation as a game changer in the APS-C mirrorless segment, or if it's just the product of rampant speculation. Join me as we explore the rumors and potential that the XPro4 holds, examining what it might bring to the table in terms of specs, features, and its anticipated arrival. As we kicked off the year, whispers began to circulate about the potential launch of the Fujifilm X-Pro4 within the calendar year. This new model is rumored to introduce a host of enhancements, aiming to please photographers who appreciate the hands-on feel and classic rangefinder aesthetic of the X-Pro lineage. The X-Pro series, celebrated for its portability and minimalist design, has become a favorite among urban photographers and globetrotters. The X-Pro3 in particular has been lauded for its distinctive approach to photography and superior image quality, setting the stage for the next model that's rumored to boast the latest in sensor and processor technology. The X-Pro4 remains shrouded in mystery, with photographers drawn to a list of speculated features that seem almost too good to be true. Talk of a 40MP X-Trans 5 BSI sensor coupled with the new X processor 5 hints at unparalleled image clarity. The prospect of in-body image stabilization, IBS, is also generating excitement, potentially transforming low-light photography and enabling high-quality 4K video recording at 60 FPS with 10-bit depth. In addition, there's talk that the XPro4 will inherit an updated user interface and autofocus system similar to Fujifilm's latest X-T5, making it an attractive upgrade for users of previous X-Pro models. While we're still in the dark about the exact release date and pricing, the rumor mill suggests we might see a late 2024 debut with a price tag to match its premium offerings. While we wait for official confirmation, the XPro4 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the APS-C mirrorless market, with Fujifilm aficionados waiting with bated breath for its reveal. It's an enigma wrapped in hushed tones, its full potential yet to be disclosed. Whether it makes its debut this year or the next, one thing is for sure, the level of excitement is only increasing. Will it be the revolutionary tool photographers have been dreaming of, or will it simply elevate the existing standards of excellence? The answer lies in the future, with Fujifilm holding the key. But one thing is undeniable, the X-Pro4 has sparked our collective imaginations, a testament to the magic and mystery that photography still holds. So let's embrace the speculation and let the rumors fly, because in the end, it's the thrill of the chase, the pursuit of that elusive perfect shot that fuels a photographer's passion. So that's all about the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro4. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.